In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your PS5 controller is not working in games, but it does work on the home menu. So the first thing you want to do is, if you have a mouse and keyboard connected to your PS5, unplug it. Now, if you can manage to get to the home menu, you want to close out the game and boot it up and see if that fixes it. Now, if it doesn't, I also recommend restarting your PS5 as well and try to boot up your game and see if it works. If that doesn't work either, the next thing we're going to do is go to settings in the top right corner, and then you want to scroll down and look for accessories, go to controller general, and you want to go to DualSense wireless controller device software and make sure it's running the latest software. Now, if that doesn't fix the issue either, the next thing you want to do is flip your controller over and grab a bobby pin or anything where you can press the reset button on the back of your controller for 5 seconds. This is going to fully reset your controller, and then you want to go ahead and use your USB cable, plug it into your PS5 controller, plug it into your PS5, and then you want to press and hold the PlayStation button until your controller pairs. Now, if it's still not working in game, this could mean that your controller's broken and it may need to be brought in for repair. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.